In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 mini, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on the following device. So let's start with the quickest method of locating IMEI number. Just go to your keypad and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here it is, right in front of you. You've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device, and then you can smoothly go back. Now we will open also IMEI number, but with serial number as well through the settings. So first of all, just enter the settings. Let's go to the main settings side, then locate and open general options and click on about. And here you've got serial number assigned to this device, and a bit lower both IMEI numbers, the first one for physical SIM and the second one for digital one. And this is it. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial numbers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.